Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2013 utility with a universal mounting kit, steel wood. Folks, beautiful unit, 45 foot by 102. Brand new headache rack. Unit has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox. This is a sliding tandem air ride suspension, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drum, steel inner rim with aluminum rims on the outer. Universal mounting kit. Carry Moffett, Princeton, LoadMac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at all of our trucks and trailers, forklifts, piggybacks available for sale. Aluminum outer, brand new rubber, sliding tandem, air ride suspension, brand new straps. Folks, give us a call, 260-238-4998.